So, this holiday season, let's keep it creative, cozy, and eco conscious with jute and burlap. Let's move on to some practical crafts. Instead of using plastic gift wraps, make jute gift bags. It's the best idea and it's a eco-friendly idea. Cut two pieces of burlap, stitch or glue the sides and decorate with snowflakes cut out and stencils. Holiday messages. These are reusable and give gifts a warm handmade feel. You can also make candle holders with jute. Take any glass jar, wrap a strip of burlap around it, and decorate with lace, beads, or bow. Place a candle inside, and you will have a glowing lantern that brings cozy warmth to your holiday evening. So, and there's you have it, simple and creative jute burlap X-Mix craft that are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and craft-friendly. From ornaments and wreath to trees, garland, gift bags, and candle holder. The possibilities are endless, and with this natural material, not only are these crafts affordable and fun to make, but they also help us celebrate X-Mix in a more sustainable way. So this holiday season, let's keep it creative, cozy, and eco-friendly conscious with jute burlap. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive DIYs inspiration. Wishing you a very happy holiday filled with love, light, and handmade joy. First up, let's make some ornaments. I can give you ideas, tips using jute. Get out simple shapes like a star, heart, and bell from cardboard. Then wrap them neatly wrap them neatly with jute, twine, or cover them with burlap fabric. Add a small decoration like lace, sequins, pine cones, or ribbons for extra charm. Punch a hole at the top and tie a loop of hanging. These ornaments not only use rustic and natural, but they are also strong and long lasting, so you can reuse them year after year. Jute, also called burlap, is one of the most eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and craft-friendly materials you will ever use. It's rustic, versatile, and gives your Xmas decor that warm, handmade charms. In this video, I shared some beautiful ideas, craft ideas you can easily make at home with jute burlap. So let's begin our eco-friendly holiday crafting journey. And there you have a simple and creative jute burlap craft that are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and craft-friendly. From ornaments and wreaths to trees, garlands, gift bags, and candle holders. The possibilities are endless with this natural material. Not to make, but they also help us celebrate festival holiday in a more sustainable way. So this holiday season, let's keep it creative, cozy, and conscious with jute burlap. Have you enjoyed these type of design, these type of ideas? You can also make candle holder with jute. You can take glass jar, wrap a strip or burlap around it, decorate with lace beads or brown, place a candle inside, and you will have a glowing lantern that brings cozy warmth to your holiday evening. Thank you for watching. I wish wherever you are watching, may your life filled with happiness, love, and forgiveness. Be grateful, be kindful, keep happy, keep crafting, keep making something extraordinary. Thank you for watching my video. Stay blessed. May your home fulfilled with happiness, enjoying your life. Keep smiling, spread happiness, spread खुशियाँ. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey, and if you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive DIY inspiration. Wishing you a happy festival filled with love, light and handmade joy. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice beautiful journey.